We are going to explore one of the most commonly used data types in Python, that is lists. So let's check what it is. A list in Python is a collection of items that are ordered, changeable, and allow duplicate values. Lists are defined using the square brackets, and you can store any type of data in them. To create a list, we will write L equal to using the square bracket, and we will firstly give some string value. We will give some integer values. We can give boolean value. We can also give some float values like 3.01 and some complex numbers like 3 plus 2j. And if I run this and check the type of L, so it gives it as a list. If I run L, so this is the list which I had given.